So whenever you are in any natural place where you can feel the presence of peace, try to do one more thing. Avoid your thoughts and repeat in your mind continuously, I am peace, God is peace, we are one. I am calmness, God is calmness, we are one. And try to feel the essence of this word. Try to go behind the word. Try to go within while repeat these words. Do not waste your time whenever you are in any natural place. If you are feeling restless thoughts, try to perform this affirmation again and again until you reach the calming state of your mind. Remember, the calmness is the first attribute of God.